The Human Torch was denied a bank loan. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. New upcycle coming at you. So our choices are between these two, which I thrifted both of these. Actually, I think I got both of these at the Goodwill bins. Picked them up for the upcycle potential because I love both of their summery fabrics and colors. So I decided to let my Instagram fam decide which one I should upcycle today. I will definitely do the other one in another video soon. So while the votes are coming in, I'm gonna try them on to just like get an idea of what I could do with both. Okay, this cherry print one, first of all, it's a fake 𝒻𝒾𝓃𝒹. It's like totally a homemade dress, which I just think is funny, but I really loved this cherry print. I really want to upcycle this into a fun summer top. I'm thinking something like open back vibes, but we've got this ruffle down here. I'm thinking maybe I could use it as like a ruffly sleeve. I don't know yet. I don't know. As for this banana one, very fun color. I picked it up because of the color and like the really lightweight fabric. I'm thinking something similar, transform it into a very fun, flirty type of summer top. But isn't the color just so perfect? Makes you look tan, you know? All right, let's see what the Instagram fam said. Is that cringy? I don't know. I don't care. Okay, looks like we're going with the cherry top. Now I just have to decide what to do with this. As you can see, I'm already on Pinterest. So no surprise there. I found a couple really cute tops on Pinterest that I think could work well. I'm loving these open back ideas with the like big bows. I think that could be really cute. So we're just gonna run with that. We're gonna run with these few images and I'm just gonna hop right in and get started here. I don't know what would be the best thing to do next. So I need to open up these armpit holes a little bit. They're too tight. This obviously is gonna have to be brought in here. I'm thinking I'm gonna do another tie down here if I have the fabric, which I'm pretty sure I will. So a bow tie up here, a bow tie down here. So I don't know if I should bring in the back first because it's a little awkward, or if I should take these down. That's adorable. Let's do the pits. The pits first. Hopefully that'll be okay. Okay, we're looking better now. So after taking down both of these armpit holes and then taking in the side seams, these back pieces right here are laying flatter like they should be. So now I can finish off these raw edges here and kind of figure out the back fit and how it's gonna like tie back here and up here. But before I do that, let me tell you about today's sponsor. Skillshare is the sponsor of today's video, so I'm just gonna tell you about them for just a few seconds. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes for creative people, so you can learn so many different things and get into different things that you might not have before, such as learning piano, learning how to do different techniques in sewing. There's a class called Productivity for Creatives, I'm sure you've heard me mention it before, by Thomas Frank, that I find really beneficial to me to like get my life and day organized as someone who kind of like works as a creative person on YouTube and on Instagram and all of that stuff. Thomas Frank, he's a really great teacher, great speaker, and I really enjoyed taking this class. The platform is curated specifically for learning, so there are no ads, and if you want to try out their premium membership, which is only $10 a month, but if you want to try for free, click the link in the description. The first 1,000 people that do will get a free trial. Back to the video. I cannot lie, I have been wearing my sweatshirt backwards at my desk for like a solid 20 minutes while I was working on my top. Literally, I didn't even know. This is where we're at. Had no idea. Anyway, now that I have these edges of the straps finished off nicely, so this is a little bit confusing, but I'm just gonna try to take these straps in like right here on each side into the side seam so that they lay nice and flat, like, you know, nice and flat, right? And then after I do that, I can make the bow and put it on each of the ends here. Well, right now, the top is a complete failure. I mean, not completely, but it's not working out. Like the back straps that I made that connect to like the armpit holes, they're not gonna lay flat, so I need to reassess the design. But that's okay, we're just gonna keep moving forward, and I have plenty of fabric to work with, and it's all gonna be good. So we've got the front here, looks decent, right? So I got the straps on the top of the back right here. I don't know how I would have done this differently and made it work, but the problem that's happening is these straps, like when I go to take them in to fit my body, there's like this flap here. It's not cute, and I can't really take it in the way I want to, because if I took it in to actually fit my back, the armpit hole is gonna be way too small. So like I said, I still have plenty of fabric to work with, and I'm just gonna reassess here. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure I figured it out. So I tested it out on this one strap here. I basically just got rid of all of that curve that was like not fitting my body very well. Armpit hole is good. Yeah, I mean, it's fitting me really well on this side, so I think I'm gonna do it to the other strap over here and then finish off the bottom. I'm glad it worked out because I really like how this looks. So I thought I was all done yesterday, but then I forgot, what about sleeves? And I'm thinking, I just kind of tucked it in here. I'm thinking I should go for a cute little cap sleeve ruffle moment. Yeah, I think I'm liking the sleeve much better than no sleeve. It looks a bit like a muscle tee in the front here. So I think adding the sleeve will give it a bit of cutesiness that I kind of wanted it to look like. So I'm gonna just take this existing ruffle here and kind of add 2 cap sleeves, and then I will show you how it looks. What do you think? Personally, I love it. I'm really glad that I added these flouncy sleeves because it just added that element of girliness that it lacked before, I think. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. The other day I hit 90,000 subscribers, which is insane. Subscribe if you haven't and you enjoy my videos, because it really does help me, you know, move forward and get to new places in my career, I guess. So thank you so much for supporting me and just watching along. And I hope to see you in my next video.